Known for showcasing native masterpieces, backed by its culture, and the community, driven by excellence and patriotism. It has grown in promoting employment and livelihood projects for its people. It is the home of a superb creation, enjoyed by travelers around the archipelago. With the continuous effort of the local government to develop the islands, the experience is marked by its beauty and heritage. The islands are best described to be heaven's paradise den. Your travel will no way of regret as you take a glimpse of the nature's bliss. The 100 Islands, the national park that will never be far from the heart of the Filipinos. "240 kilometers from north of Manila lies a cluster of subcontinental lands believed to be 2 million years old. The